Hello everyone, in today's session we are going to cover what is middleware in Django. Middleware is nothing but a layer that processes requests and responses globally before views are even called. What is middleware in Django? Middleware is a layer that processes requests response globally before view are even called. When some requests comes to Django, that time the middleware process this request before reach to the views, and when response to the user after successful request, that time the middleware will also use. And when to use middleware question arises here. You can use it block or allow access for some role base, block the user using with the help of middleware, modify requests and responses when some request comes, that time with the help of middleware you can also modify requests and responses. Log activity, you can also see log activity of your Django project and apps, and enforce global rules like ban users and something. So what is middleware? Middleware is a layer that processes requests and responses globally before views are even called. This can help us to block and allow access for some specific user. This can help us to modify requests and responses. This can help us for log activity. This can also help us to enforce global rules like ban user and something. So this is about middleware. In next session we are going to cover decorator in Django. Don't forget to subscribe and like.